Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly options that come with built-in speakers and consistent volume control methods across their product lines. To adjust the volume, start by pressing the menu or power button, typically located on the right side or bottom of your monitor. This will open the on-screen display menu. Navigate to the audio or sound settings using the directional buttons. This section is often marked with a speaker icon and contains all audio-related controls. Once in the audio settings, you'll find the volume control option. Select it and use the up and down buttons to adjust the volume level on a scale from 0 to 100. After adjusting the volume to your preferred level, press the menu button again or simply wait for the menu to automatically close, typically after 10 to 15 seconds. Some newer Sceptre models offer alternative volume control methods. Many TV monitor hybrids include a remote control with dedicated volume buttons for convenient adjustment from a distance. Additionally, select newer models feature dedicated volume buttons directly on the monitor bezel, providing immediate volume adjustment without needing to navigate through menus. When experiencing audio problems with your Sceptre monitor, start with these essential troubleshooting steps. First, verify that your cable connections are secure and your input source audio settings are properly configured. For optimal audio performance, start by setting your volume to 50 to 60%, then adjust based on your content and environment. Consider your room acoustics and ambient noise when setting volume levels. Hard surfaces reflect sound, while soft materials absorb it. Remember that volume controls affect HDMI audio input when monitor speakers are active. Recent Sceptre models feature improved speakers and digital signal processing for clearer sound. Following these troubleshooting steps and optimization tips will help you achieve the best audio experience from your Sceptre monitor.